Service in Albuquerque has issued a flash flood warning for the Cerro Pelado burns, central Sandoval County in north central New Mexico until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:43 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the eastern portion of the Cerro Pelado burn scar. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will impact Canada Camada, Peralta Canyon, Blind Canyon, Rio Chiquito, Ted Rocks National Monument, Coach de Pueblo, and Coach de Golf Club. The debris can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Cerro Pelado burn scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Cerro Pelado burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Coach de Pueblo. Runoff from rainfall will cause elevated water levels within vulnerable drainages in and downstream of the Cerro Pelado fire burn area. Do not camp along streams and rivers. Remain alert when hiking in steep, narrow canyons. Know where you are relative to low spots and drainages. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Sandoval, New Mexico. You are listening to